9 keywords about ecosystems that you need to know the definition of. The first one is an ecosystem itself. Now, an ecosystem is the interaction between the living and the non-living parts of the environment. Those living parts of the environment form a population. The population is the number of individuals of one species within a certain area. The community is the interaction between the different species within that area. So that might be the plant species and the animal species, but it may also be the predator and the prey species as well. Now, interdependence describes how those different species rely on each other for certain things. So, for example, the animals might rely on the plant species for food or for shelter, but the plant species will rely on the animal species for seed dispersal and maybe pollination as well. Competition describes how individuals of the same species, but also individuals of different species, compete for the same resources. Those resources could be food, shelter, water, and potentially mates within the same species. Abiotic factors are the non-living factors of an ecosystem, things that might affect population sizes. Temperature, light intensity, wind speed, soil pH, oxygen availability in an aquatic ecosystem perhaps as well. Biotic factors, these are the living parts of the ecosystem that will affect the population. So this might be things like introduction of new predators, introduction of new pathogens, competition between species as well. And the habitat are where the habitat is where the organism lives. This could be living or non-living. The habitat could be a tree, for example, or the habitat could be something like sand dunes. And then a stable community is when the ecosystem is stable, the population sizes are unchanging, and it is able to exist in a balanced way. So for more ecosystem content like this and more GCSE content, make sure you give me a follow.